Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the incorrect password error of Netflix on Android. And you can actually do that pretty easily from any Android phone. So here's how it's done. Open Netflix, then go to the sign in page. Now, on the sign in page, you'll see the forgot password option. Tap on it. Now you'll be directed to an interface like this. Here, you have to choose email or text me if you have a phone number linked. For example, let's choose email. Now, enter your Netflix account email and tap email me. With this, Netflix will send you an email on your Gmail account where you can directly reset your forgotten password. I don't want to reset my password, so I'll not click the button, but it's actually pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts of that email and you'll get your password back in no time. So that was the easiest way to fix the incorrect password problem on Android. Hope this video helped.